Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to get sounds and sound effect for your videos. First of all, we will go to create and on audio library, I guess. And you can clearly see here there are a bunch of songs with them rated pretty high. You can select some of them. Guess this one. Let's see. And you can use them for your video. You can download them and you can simply add them to your video. Some of these, what do you call them, songs, you need to, there you go, you need to tell who, you need to add into the description who made this. So for example, you need to add artist audionautics.com, what the fuck, then whatever. Moving on to the sound effects, which are a lot. I mean, you can have a lot of them. You have doors, you can have emergencies, you can have meteor, you have Fui, what the fuck is that shit? You can have cartoons, and you can select some of them like crickets. Which sound amazing! Oh my fucking god! Or you can hitting a wood block. Slap with a glove. Slapping bare skin. Well, that just gave me some ideas. Well, I hope you like this and it's informative. Oh yeah, on melodies you can actually select type, the state of spirit or whatever, instrument, duration, and if you need to write into the what do you call it, into description who made it. So if you don't want to write, these are your songs. On them. You can use it without typing anything in the description. Oh, pretty much easy. And you can, oh yeah, you can make favorite of them. I mean, you can add them to your favorite list, like this. I added here, just added some of them, random. So we can simply, let's see, so no. Then we're gonna add the first one, which is Beer Belly Blues. What the fuck? And there you go. It's the first. And it tells you it's jazz and blues and it's melodramatic. Pretty nice. You can do the same with the sounds. So let's see. We want to know the 50 cal shells drop. Jingle fucking bells. So there you go. You can go, let's see. You can let's see, do we have some jingle bells? Jingle bells? Or I already added it? Yeah, I think we already added it. Oh, you can have my favorite. Let's add this. No. This shit. It's not too realistic. It's Okay, thank you for watching, and yeah, that's how you can get sound effects, free uh, songs, and add them to your video. So have fun.